Getting a flat is a pain in the bum. Luckily, there are easy patch solutions you can do on the side of a road or at home. One of the easiest is the strip patch or bacon strip kits that I will cover in this video. If you picked up a nail or screw, it is often easy to find the leak by looking at the tire. But if you picked up a piece of glass or thorn, it may be hard to find the leak, especially if it's a slow leak. An easy way to find a leak is to use mild soapy water mixture. You can use the water they clean windows with at a garage, or use any bath or dishwashing soap in a water bottle. If you do not have a spray bottle, you can take a small water bottle and punch a hole in the cap and use that to spray water on the tire. Always check the valve by squirting some soapy water on it to see if it's not leaking as well. After you located the leak, make sure you remove the cause of the problem. In my case, it was a thorn. For the strip patch to fit, you will need to make the hole larger. Each kit should come with a reamer. Make the hole bigger by thrusting the reamer in and out of the hole. An even rhythm normally does the trick. Try not to pull out too soon as it spoils the fun. Leave the reamer in the tire so that it does not deflate while you get ready for the next round of thrusting. Take one of the strip patches and pull it through the eye of a needle tool in the kit. When you got it halfway through, smear some glue on the patch. This helps to lubricate the patch and allow it to easier slip into the tight hole, as well as seal the hole when you are done. Now pull the reamer out and thrust the lubricated strip halfway into the hole. It may take some effort, but keep pushing, as you will be rewarded with a hard ride after you got your flat tire fixed. Once the plug is halfway in, slowly pull the needle out. The plug should stay firmly in the tire. Now trim the excess off while leaving a small amount on the outside. This will be flattened as you ride and will help that the plug does not fall into the tire. If it starts leaking again, pull the plug out and insert a new plug. Now pump the tire to specifications to ensure a satisfying ride. Note that these plugs are meant to be temporary. However, I've done thousands of miles on a plugged tire. I do not recommend going over 140 kilometers with one in your tire though. They are also not meant to plug the sidewall of a tire. However, if you need to get home, they will do the trick. They are also not meant to plug holes larger than around 5 mm. But unlike other plugs, these strip plugs do not mind sharing a hole. You can stack multiple plugs next to each other to fill larger holes or cuts, even in a sidewall. Thank you for watching. If you found the video informative, please like and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as I release them.